Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Gopro phone holder is probably one of the most essential accessories for content creators who want to seamlessly integrate their smartphone footage with their action camera shots, offering unparalleled versatility and convenience for capturing dynamic perspectives, whether you're vlogging on the go, live streaming an adventure, or simply need a stable mount for creative angles. Number 5. PellKing Phone Action Camera Mount Kit. Transform your smartphone into an action camera. This innovative kit allows you to capture life's amazing moments hands-free. It ensures stable, first-person perspective shooting for all your adventures. Experience true first-person perspective. With both head and chest strap mounts, it offers diverse shooting heights. This allows you to perfectly match your unique recording needs. This kit isn't just for smartphones. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, including all GoPro Hero models, DJI Osmo Action, Insta360, and many other action cameras. Take it on your next adventure. It's ideal for mountain biking, skiing, snowboarding, motocross, and various paddle sports. Capture every thrilling moment with ease. For optimal security, use the included small wrench to tighten the phone holder. This ensures your device remains firmly in place, preventing any sliding during intense activities. We are confident in the quality of our accessories. Should you encounter any issues, please contact us. We're committed to providing a replacement or a full refund. What we like. This kit transforms your smartphone into an action camera, offering hands-free, stable POV shooting. If you're looking for an immersive, first-person perspective for vlogging or action sports, this is your go-to. It's perfect for capturing life's adventures while keeping your hands free. What people say. No reviews available in the provided source. Cannot extract points as the source is empty. Number 4. TELESIN Suction Cup Car Mount. This versatile mount offers unparalleled flexibility for all your shooting needs. Its innovative design allows you to capture every angle with ease, ensuring no moment is missed. Featuring a double ball head structure, it provides full 360-degree angle adjustment. You can effortlessly set the perfect perspective for any scenario or creative shot. Attach it to any smooth surface, from car windshields and windows to desktops and tiles. It's designed to go wherever your adventures take you, providing reliable support. Built with elastic resin and a large 93mm suction force, it ensures a rock-solid grip. This device can hold up to 10 kilograms and remain stable even at high speeds. Its humanized design makes it foldable and highly portable for easy storage and carrying. Remember not to engage the buckle when not in use to maintain its performance. It's compatible with a vast range of devices, including popular DJI, GoPro, and Insta360 cameras, plus all smartphones. A phone clip is included for your convenience, making it truly universal. What we like. This mount offers incredible flexibility with its 360-degree adjustment and robust suction. If you need to capture stable footage from a vehicle or any smooth surface, this is an excellent choice. Its heavy-duty design ensures your device stays secure even at high speeds. What people say. Number 3. TELESIN Magnetic 360 Degrees Backpack Clip Phone Holder. This innovative mount combines a magnetic clip, a backpack strap clip, and a phone holder. It offers multiple ways to attach your action camera or mobile device, adapting to any situation. Equipped with a 360-degree rotating ball head, it allows for effortless horizontal, vertical, and tilted shots. Locking and releasing is a simple one-step process with its intuitive knob. Crafted from high-quality ABS with serrated grips and strong springs, it ensures a firm hold on various backpack straps. This durable design frees your hands for all your adventures. It's compatible with a vast range of action cameras, including GoPro, DJI, and Insta360 models, as well as most smartphones. You can easily attach almost any device you own. Whether you're hiking, biking, skiing, or surfing, this is your ideal companion for capturing dynamic POV footage. It's designed to withstand the rigors of any outdoor sport. Your package contains the 360-degree magnetic backpack clip, a locking screw, an AE adapter, and a phone holder. It also comes with a 90-day money-back and return warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This versatile mount combines magnetic attachment with a strong backpack clip, offering dual mounting options. If you're an outdoor enthusiast who needs a hands-free solution for walking, hiking, or extreme sports, this provides secure and flexible shooting angles. Its 360-degree rotation makes capturing any view effortless. What people say. Number 2. JUSMO CM010 Fence Mount Kit. This versatile mount works with a wide range of devices. It's compatible with GoPro, smartphones, and even card cameras like Mevo, meeting all your diverse recording needs. Its spring-loaded clamp structure ensures easy installation and firm security for your devices. Featuring an independent knob lock and non-slip silicone pads, it adjusts up to 80 mm for a perfect fit. The phone holder offers 360-degree rotation, while the action camera mount provides 3D adjustment. This ensures you can capture every moment from any desired angle. It also adjusts up to 85 mm for most smartphones. You can capture incredible footage and charge your device at the same time. Its phone clamp can secure a power bank, allowing for continuous, long-time shooting without interruption. Crafted from aluminum alloy, ABS, and PC, it's both sturdy and durable. Its compact size makes it easy to carry, and the rubber pad design protects your phone and camera from scratches. This kit is designed to enhance your recording experience for sports like baseball, softball, and tennis. It provides a stable and reliable setup for streaming and capturing all the action. What we like. This unique mount is specifically designed for fence attachment, making it ideal for sports recording. If you're a coach or parent wanting to capture games like baseball or softball, this allows for stable, unobstructed footage. Plus, you can charge your phone while recording for extended sessions. What people say. Number 1. Aluminum fence mount for action cameras and phones. This innovative mount allows you to freely adjust your camera or phone up, down, left, and right. It ensures perfect alignment through fence holes, keeping the fence out of your shot. Installation is incredibly fast, as it comes pre-installed. You only need to adjust the angle, and its foldable design makes it easy to carry anywhere. Experience a better shooting experience without interruptions. Direct hits from foul balls won't affect your shot, ensuring you capture every crucial moment. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, including GoPro and other digital cameras. With the included phone clip, it supports most smartphones up to 85 mm wide. Use it to record baseball, basketball, soccer, or softball games. Capture all the action from your video to analyze and improve your training. Your package comes with the fence mount, a versatile camera mount for both cameras and phones, and a dedicated phone holder. Everything you need is in one box. If you have any questions or are not satisfied with its installation, don't worry. Please contact us directly for prompt assistance and support. What we like. This aluminum fence mount ensures perfect alignment through fence holes, eliminating obstructions in your shots. If you need a quick and easy setup for sports events and want to avoid fence lines in your video, this is a fantastic option. Its robust construction provides a stable and reliable recording platform. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted as per the instructions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.